soy. This is a Frayer, I hope I'm saying the name right, model. And the word I am going to be describing is linear pairs. So a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles that form when two lines intersect at a single point. This is an illustration of a linear pair. As you can see, both of the angles 1 and 2 go right on a straight line. And so when you add angle 1 and angle 2 together, you will get 180 degrees. So examples of a linear pair in this bottom left corner is angle 1 and angle 2 would make a 100-degree line, 180-degree line. Same with angle 2 and angle 3, angle 3 and angle 4, and angle 4 and angle 1. So you cannot add them all together or swap, because then they are no longer linear pairs. And this is an example of a non-linear pair. Angle 1 and angle 2 are vertical angles. They are on opposite sides of the line, but they will have the same degree value.